You see the packaging of the Okmax headphone. In this video, it's not only an unboxing video, it's unboxing box video. You will not understand what I'm talking about until if I start showing you. I'm already impressed. So your impression is to like my video and subscribe to my channel to get more impressions if you watch each of my videos that I'll be dropping later if you subscribe. It will be very funny if you go to buy a headphone and the headphone is in a very big box like this. That headphone might be $1,000 headphone. I'll be revealing the price of the headphone later in the video. Just keep watching. We open this box. Now I am unboxing box. This is the actual box. We have the mega headphones structures there. The structure of the headphone, the devices you can use it on. Let's open this up. So this is the third box of Okmax logo on it. We're opening that to see our actual headphone. Without delaying you much, this headphone is just $2. Very cheap and high quality. What I like about this headphone, when we look at the wire here, the insulator there, we've seen that it has 4 stripes. Instead, it is different from the ordinary headphones that will have just a small wire case. So this one we have 4. It is broader. So here we have the Okmax logo, and right here we have the call receiving place, and this other part you can post a video or a sound that you are playing inside your device. Isn't that amazing? That is just amazing. And this is just $2. Where that it has a broader, even in the video the camera is not having a very high quality. You can see that it has a broader base and it looks more appealing to the eye than the other headphones. So that's all it for the unboxing of a $2 headphone.